Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com making this video about gold. All right, so let's get started. This is the gold monthly chart I made on October 15th. And this is the Elliott wave count here. You can see it's like wave 1, then A, B, C correction wave 2. This is wave 3, then A, B, C correction for wave 4. I said this is where it's going to end. Question mark. Wave 4 ending here? Yes, it was ending here. Now, this wave 1, 2, 3, 4 followed by wave 5 to the upside, right? That it's supposed to be like that. Like that, it's supposed to be, let me show you this. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obviously, these waves have subwaves. Like wave 4 has A, B, C correction. Wave 2 have A, B, C correction, just like this. What happened here? What? Okay, here. So yeah, see 1, 2. That this is A, B, C, and A, B, C, right? So I said we're gonna be going up for wave 5, probably. So I made. Well, I was expecting that, and let's see. Okay, now that was the monthly chart, which is this, right? So this is wave 3 ending here, wave 4 blue count, and then this is wave 5 ending. Wave 5 have subwaves, and these are the 5 subwaves in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the black count. Okay, so what are we in right now is wave 5 of wave 5. Okay, that is wave 5 of wave 5. Now, this candle just ended. This is a monthly candle, and you can see that how powerful this candle is, the bullish candle, and wave 4 is definitely finished here, and we are now going for wave 5. Now, this wave 5, obviously, then I'm going into now. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Now, this is how it is. So I made the chart earlier that we're going to be bouncing. I can't find that chart. Probably it's on the other computer. But this is what it is. This wave 3, and then A, B, C, wave 4, right? Now we're going to go for wave 5. So how are we going to go for wave 5? We look for the smaller time frame, and then when we're going, this is just a general idea that we're gonna go up. And these are the levels, right? Monthly high, this is 19, 12, 20. Also on the monthly number, I guess. This is monthly high, 1578. So my ultimate target for now is 1802, probably. 1786, 1802, and then you can see that it's powerfully going to the upside. So this is what we are in, and this is how it is. Look at the daily chart for a little bit more clarity that what this wave is all about. Coming down is this. You see this, it coming down is wave 4, wave C of wave 4 is also wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going up, and then probably is gonna go for like 1802 somewhere right there, not too far from it. So maybe the wave A of wave 1 to the upside will be finishing here somewhere, 1802. Okay. Now the idea is that you, when you're gonna get into the market, that is what it is. Now this daily chart, you'll notice that it is making a lot of waves going to the upside. So if the price is going up and you get in, and then it reverses on you, 40 pip, 50 pip, 100 pip, and people get scared and then close the trade. As soon as you close it, then it starts going up again, right? So that is a biggest problem for everyone. So now, the thing that you must do is that keep your human emotion out of this business and have a system to follow, like a robot, straight up. If you have certain conditions, you're gonna open the trade, you're gonna put the SL, so and so pip, and that's it. No hanky-panky, nothing. Just strictly by the rules. So I am taking the entries on this one again and again. Whenever I get my setup, I must have the setup. Now I have a 80-minute chart, I have 40-minute chart, but let me show you the 40-minute chart. For example, this is my 40-minute Renko charts, and this is how it is going. Now see this is the top. This is the wave coming down here, and then now it's going to the upside again. You can see that here on this move to the upside, and then that little dip. Let me see the daily chart. right? This dip here and then this rise. So this dip and then this rise is this dip and this rise. Now notice that this Fibonacci here, you went up there and you touches the 61%, and then you drop to exactly 23% line, my favorite line, and then usually the price goes back to 78% to make a what? A Gertley pattern, right? Gertley, you all know that what Gertley is. If not, then let me quickly let me find out where it is. Not gonna take much long. Sometimes I even forget where the heck Gertley is. All right, so you see what the heck happened, man? All right, now I must know. All right, so bearish Gertley while I'm the bullish Gertley. Go. This is butterfly. This is. It's important to show you. It's a new. Okay, bearish Gertley. All right. So this is a pattern that when you put the fib from X A, then B is 61%, then 23% line C, and then it goes back to 78% and drop. Right? The drop will come if you looking for a drop. If not, then maybe you go straight up. So now if you look at this, X, A, B exactly 61%, C 23%, now D going to 78% and then drop. Drop to where? Look at the daily chart. If we have this wave 1, then you can see A, this is B, which is going to finish just now a little bit, and then C will come down here, maybe to this high, or maybe all the way to this low, somewhere here. That's one scenario, right? It will come down. Then that would be perfect ABC correction. Or maybe it's in a hurry, and then we will have a failed Gertley. Failed Gertley will turn into a crab pattern, which is ending to 161%, which will be right here. If it goes and then bypass the 78% line and then continue going to the upside, it will break this area, go above, come down, test it, and then keep going to 161%, which is 1818. Do we have any number in weekly chart? 1818, 1848, 1834, right? These are the numbers. What about monthly chart? 1848, and those are the closest one, right? Here. So 1834, maybe somewhere here. So it may just not look back and then continue going to the upside. This is the second scenario. So keeping these scenarios in mind, you will find your entry and then you go for it. Now, knowing that this thing is going to go for wave 5, if I see a short setup, right, on the back of the news or anything else, you think that I'm going to take it? No, I'm not. I'm going to bypass it, and I'm going to stick to the idea that it will go up, and it's clear for wave 4, no doubt about it. So we're going up, right? But we're going to be making waves. So for some reason, news or anything else, it may dip. Let it dip. Then when it's going up, get in with the proper system or anything. Like me, I have my system, and I have a entry according to the system going on. You can see my system on the website. It's all over the place. Same scenario, same system, same setup. I always use in any instrument, right? So let's see. Let me show you this. See this one? Now this is my entry, buy entry. Right now, current price is moving. Price is not static; it's moving, right? See that? Price is moving. This is a current live chart. Entry is there. Entry is by the book. My setup is what? The yellow line crosses the black and go above for long. For above, the price go above that yellow line and comes. What the heck is that? Okay. Now see this. My EA is opening this sell trade on pound yen. This EA is only for me. Don't worry about that. I have the alarm, the same thing as an alarm that I give to people, my subscribers have. So they're probably seeing the alarm that there is a setup, the short setup in pound yen right now, and they can go and take that trade, right, if they're interested in. So that's what the alarm is beeping right now. Now, me, man, this thing is bothering now. Okay, it shuts up. All right, good. Thank you. Maybe okay. Forget it. So let it be. I don't know which one. I got three brokers open here, so I don't want the interruption. Now, this one, right? So it's going up, and this indicates it was not here. Why is it going up there, man? Look, this has to be here. I'm gonna record the chart around 78% and then close the trade because I don't want to take a chance. I'll get in if it goes higher later on, but little shots at a time, that would be good. So this was my entry. I wanted to show you that this is the entry, buy order, SL move to break even plus. This is the place. The entry after few red candles and then few blue candles. I opened the trade here and never look back. My SL was never hit and it continued going to the upside. This is also a beautiful entry here, right there, and it's kept going up. 1757 my entry was, and right now it is at 1770. All right, so this is how the gold is doing. This is what the gold is doing right now, and this is how you make the entry. At least I use this setup and this system and this creative IB system, what I call it, right? Whatever you have, you can use it and take it, but keep in mind that this thing is going up. It may, in time to time, may drop. So don't get scared. Okay, he said that it's gonna go up, but it's gonna drop. It is gonna be like that. See, for example, here it's supposed to go up here, but it went up and then dropped, then went up, dropped. Right? It will do that, but having a system will keep you safe. I'm sitting on a break even. If for some reason it drops big time, what do I lose? Nothing, right? But if it goes more, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 pip more, yeah, I'll take it. No problem, right? So having a system is, you have an advantage. All right. So this is it for now, and keep it up. And oil, I also have a very nice oil trade in oil today, and but I'll make the separate video for anything. I'll make videos, different things. Like yesterday, I made the video for USD index, and the USD pairs. Don't forget Friday we have a big USD news NFP 8:30 in the morning, and that will shake up the market big time. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. If anybody interested in my system, go to my website, creativetradingsystems.com, and search everything. You have everything there. You watch the video, whatever. If you like it, you join. If not, it's okay. Just trade whatever you have. If you are doing good and you are profitable, don't change it. Don't never change. Like old saying, do not try to fix that it's not broken yet. So if something is working, let it work. Keep it up with that. But if not, if you are struggling, and then give it a shot. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week.